Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Postscript affiliate SMS automations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling Postscript affiliate SMS automations, first, log in to your Postscript account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Automations section on the left menu. Click on Automations to view your active SMS automations. Identify the specific affiliate automation you wish to uninstall. Hover over the automation entry for more options. You will see an Edit button appear beside the automation. Click on the Edit button to access the automation settings. In the automation settings, look for the Delete option, usually found at the bottom of the page. Click on Delete to initiate the uninstallation process. A confirmation prompt will appear to verify your decision to delete the automation. Read the prompt carefully, then click Confirm to proceed with the uninstallation. Once confirmed, the system will process your request. You should receive a notification indicating that the automation has been successfully uninstalled. To ensure everything is working correctly, return to the Automations list. Verify that the uninstalled automation no longer appears in your active automations. If necessary, refresh the page to update the list. You have now successfully uninstalled the Postscript affiliate SMS automations. Make sure to review your SMS strategy to replace or adjust other automations as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.